Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain the chapter number 1 in science, and its name is Living and Non-Living Things. So, if I say about definition, before learning about living and non-living thing, we should know about the definitions. So, living thing definition. The things which are alive is called living things. Again, I'm repeating. The things which are alive is called living things. Now, next definition is non-living things. The things which are not alive is called non-living things. So, let me explain you about living things. So, the things which are alive is called living things. It means the things which have life, that is only known as living things. But the things which does not have life, that is known as non-living things. Now, example of living things. So there are many examples of living things. So human beings, plants and animals. So examples of non-living things. Now, there's also many examples are there. So table, chair, board and book. Now, next definition is natural non-living things. So the things which is non-living thing but not made by man is called natural non-living things. It means the things which is non-living things, but that thing is only not made by a person or any man. That is only known as natural non-living. Now the next man-made non-living thing. So the things which is non-living thing but made by man is called man-made non-living things. It means the things which is non-living thing, but that thing is made by a person. That is only known as man-made non-living things. Now the next point is example of natural non-living thing. So there are many examples of this also. So let me see: rocks, mountains, sand, and many more. And next, example of man-made non-living things. So, toy, table, chair, car, and many more. Next, if I see the differences between living and non-living things. So, living thing need food, but non-living thing does not need food. Living thing can move, can breathe, but non-living thing can't breathe. Living thing can move, but non-living thing can't move. Living thing can reproduce, non-living thing can't reproduce. Living thing can grow, non-living thing can't grow. Living thing can't live without water, but non-living thing can live without water. It means we need food to get energy. If food will be not there, then we can't get any energy. So, non-living things, if they are not eating food, but then also they can live because they are non-living. But we are humans and we are living things, but we need the food. Now, living thing can breathe. So, living thing can breathe. Non-living thing can't breathe. It means if living thing is breathing, then non-living thing it can't breathe. So, living thing is breathe. Living thing can breathe, and they breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Now, next is can reproduce. Living thing can reproduce, but non-living thing can't reproduce. It means living thing can give birth to their young ones, but non-living thing can't give birth to their young ones. Now, the next living thing can grow, but non-living thing can't grow. Why gradually when we born, then after that we become girl. Any child is there, girl or boy, whatever. After that, woman or man, and then old man or old woman, and after that they die. Then, then the next last one is living thing can't live without water, but non-living thing can live without water. It means living thing need water, but non-living thing does not need water. Now here I have raised three questions. So related to this living and non-living thing chapter. So how does leaf breathe? This is a question. How does leaf breathe? So the answer will be leaf breathe from stomata. So you can see here, any leaf is there. In every leaf, this stomata is present. Like small structure is there, but we can't see it with our naked eyes. We can only see from the telescope, not from other devices. And you can see, if you will see from telescope, then you will see like this type of image. Okay. Here is a hole. From that, air passes from that hole and just entered in the leaf. Now, the next is, what is that thing? So, the things which are no more alive is called dead thing. It means the things which cannot live now. That thing is only known as dead thing. So, third question. This is the last question. In which thing did the living and non-living thing are same? So there are 3 points from which living and non-living things are same. First is made up of matter. It means that it is only made up of just matter. And next is occupy space. It means it is occupying space. Like here you can see every living and non-living thing can just occupy space. Like think that this is a duster, suppose, and this is a marker. If this is non-living thing and this is also non-living thing, if we will keep this non-living thing object, then also it can take occupy space. It means this much space it has just occupied. Okay, if living thing is there, suppose that this is also living thing and this is bed, then if they are sleeping, then this much place it has taken already and this much place is left. It means living thing that can also occupy the space. Now, if I talk about have weight, third point is have weight. So every living and non-living thing have weight. Suppose that this is a duster. It has 100 gram. Suppose only I am saying it has 100 gram and my weight is suppose 25 kg. So in this 100 gram, this is non-living thing, but then also weight can be measured. I am living thing, but then also my weight can be measured. So that's why it has the living thing and non-living thing are same in these 3 points. Now this one I have explained in the can breathe one. So here it is written, human and animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So this is important. Now the next point is human beings breathe through lungs. So there is a part from which humans are breathing. So that thing is only known as lungs. So you can see in the picture, this is lungs. Okay. Now this lungs is just taking the air inside it and after that it purify air, not carbon dioxide and all. That not. Purify air and just breathe out. We are breathing out the what? Carbon dioxide. So here is small organism, very small organism that we cannot see also. So this is only known as bronchi. And in that this only oxygen is like a bubble, small bubble it is. And inside many bronchi are there. In that only two main oxygens are there inside it. So that in that it carries and after that it takes out what is the bad air, that is carbon dioxide. And you know that we breathe and that the plant is making food by itself, but it gives out it is taking just carbon dioxide by the help of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is also a part of photosynthesis, so it just absorbs the carbon dioxide and then it prepare it into oxygen, and then it gives oxygen gives to then the plants give oxygen to us that we breathe. Now the next, how does insects breathe? This is a common question, that how does insects breathe? So grasshopper breathe through lung, air holes. So it means grasshopper is also an insect. So all insects are breathing through their air holes in their body. Some small organisms are there that is only known as air holes. Through that the air process so that any insects can just breathe it. And this breathe out is carbon dioxide with the help of air holes. Even mosquitoes also. Now the next point is fish breathe through gills. So the fish, you know only what is fish. So fish breathe through gills. So here you can see like this pipe type structure it is. This is only known as gills. From that only it's breathe and it breathe out from its mouth. And then if it is just and it is inside the skin from which it swim, inside that skin it is. Then lung, gills. Okay. From this much only it's over. So thank you.